Have you ever looked at the Greek language and wondered, you know what, how do you pronounce that? Well, today we're going to dive into the Greek alphabet. And if you stick till the end, I got a special surprise you're not going to want to miss. Let's go. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Puzzle Piece Exegete. My name is Steven Rodriguez. So today we're going to be diving into the Greek alphabet. So a couple things to know about the Greek alphabet. There are 24 letters in the Greek alphabet, and within that there are 7 vowels. In fact, we actually get the word alphabet from the first 2 letters in Greek, alpha and beta. So let's go ahead and dive in. The first letter is the letter alpha. It's like the A in father. The second letter is beta, like the B in Bible. The next letter is gamma, like the G in golf. The next letter is delta, like the D in dog. The next letter is epsilon, like the short E in echo. Next letter is zeta, like the Z in zebra. Next letter is eta, like the long E in obey. Now be careful, this kind of looks like an N with a tail, but it's an eta. Next letter is theta, like the th in thanks. Next letter is iota. Now iota can be either short or long, so the word intrigue actually helps to kind of bring this out. Our next letter is the letter kappa, like the K in king. Next letter is lambda, like the L in lion. The next letter is the letter mu, like the M in mother. The next letter is nu, like the N in near. Now be careful, this kind of looks like a V, but it's a nu. Next letter is xi. Now it's kind of like the xi in axiom, so xi. Next letter is the letter omicron. It's the short O sound, it like in not. Next letter is P. You might have seen this as pi in math, but in Koine Greek it's P, like papyrus. Like actually, if you look back at that kind of faint writing, that is papyrus 72 or P72, one of my favorite manuscripts. The next letter is the letter rho, like the R in radar. Now be careful, this kind of looks like a P, but it's actually the rho sound in Greek. The next letter is the letter sigma. Now, this actually has 2 forms. The one on the bottom is what's called a final sigma. Anytime a word in Greek ends in a sigma, it's going to look like that. It's what's called a final sigma. Every other occurrence is what it looks like on top. Next letter is the letter tau, like the T in today. Next letter is upsilon. Now, it's not upsilon. You got to put your lips like U, upsilon, like the U in universe. The next letter is the letter phi, like the F in phone. Our next letter is the letter chi, like in Loch Ness monster. You gotta get that chi. Our next letter is the letter psi. Now you gotta make sure you get that P in there, so it's psi, like in lips. And our last letter is the letter omega. Now be careful, this kind of looks like the letter W, but it's the long O sound like in snow. Now I want to go ahead and give some real world examples, right? Let's put this into practice. Let's do some pronunciation right now. So I'm going to put some slides on the screen here. And so our first word is graphe. Now we have at the beginning a gamma, rho, alpha, phi, and eta with a little accent at the end, so we want to make sure our emphasis is on there. So graphe, say it with me, graphe, and it means writing or scripture. All graphe is God breathed, right? We see that in 2 Timothy 3:16. Well, that's the word. Our next word is logos. Now we have our lambda, omicron, gamma, omicron, and our final sigma. Like I said, when a sigma is at the end, that's what it looks like. And so we're going to say logos. All right, so I told you if you stay till the end of the video that I would give you a special treat, a special surprise. So quick factoid, about 10-15 years ago, me and 2 other guys had a Christian rap group called Anointed Noise. Shout out to Jesse Delgado, aka Kingdom Creative. Make sure you check out his YouTube channel. He helps Christian content creators. And shout out to Marcus Neely, aka the Present Father M46. Make sure you check out his YouTube channel. All those will be in the links below. But we had a Christian rap group, and they did all the rapping, and I did the beats. And so what I did is I found one of my old beats, I dusted it off, and so what I'm gonna do, present today something you probably never heard before, but it's gonna be a Koine Greek alphabet rap. So let's go. Yeah, Annoy the Noise 2021. Turn my earbuds up. I know they're not high grade, but yep. Turn the bass down. Got kids asleep. Neighbors next door. What's that? Oh yeah, Greek alphabet like you never heard before. Let's go.
Alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, p, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, v, chi, psi, omega, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, p, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, v, chi, psi, omega, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, p, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, v, chi, psi, omega, alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon, zeta, eta, theta, iota, kappa, lambda, mu, nu, xi, omicron, p, rho, sigma, tau, upsilon, v, chi, psi, omega.
Hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I had making it, guys. Now the Greek alphabet, that's the place you have to start when we study the Greek language. Hopefully I'll do more videos like this in the future. If you want me to do more videos like this in the future, make sure you drop a comment, a like, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You guys know the deal. Till next time, keep putting those puzzle pieces together. God bless.